How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So here I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps, and then wait for it to load and go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States, and then click on the search and wait for it to load. And this is the country we're going to use in today's method. And here let's zoom in on the states and zoom in on any state you'd like to choose a city that you're going to work on. So for example, we are going to choose Louisiana, and let's zoom in on Louisiana. Here let's choose Lafayette, for example, or Abbeville, or Morgan City. So here I'm going to choose Morgan City. So let's zoom in on this city, and here let's head to the search to search for the small businesses in this city. And before we start searching for the small businesses, I'm going to talk about the services that we are going to offer to those small business owners. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to see if they have a website. If not, we are going to offer to create one for them. And if they already have a website, we are going to check the website if it's up to date. If it's an old website, we're going to offer to renovate the website for them. And the second service is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile. So we are going to check if they have any bad reviews in their profile, and we're going to offer the service of removing them. And the third service is managing their social media. So here let's start with gyms as a small business. So let's see all of the profiles of the gyms that are available in this area. So here we have the famous Anytime Fitness. It's a brand of gyms all over the United States. So make sure to avoid these branded small businesses, for example like Anytime Fitness. Make sure to avoid them. You cannot make any progress with them. Just move on and make sure to focus on the ones with less than 150 reviews, and also the ones that don't have a sponsor written in the top of their profile. So here we have at Shafalaya 24-hour fitness. So this is a perfect profile to check. So here let's click on their profile to see if they have a website. So by scrolling down, you will be able to see their website. Let's open their website and let's wait for it to load. So here you can see that they are open 24 hours all day. And by scrolling down, you will see that this is an up-to-date website. It won't need any renovations, and it has only the location, the weather, and the opening hours, and their phone number if you want to call them. There is no way you can book an appointment directly from their website. I think that's what they want. They don't want anyone to book appointments with them in here. They want them to call them. So that's good for them. We want to judge. Let's go back the website now. We can't offer them any website services. So let's scroll down to see if they have any bad reviews that we can offer the service of removing them. So here they have a lot of 5-star reviews and 4-star reviews, but they also have some 3 to 1 star reviews. So we are going to hunt or to look for these 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews. That's what we care about. and those are going to help us get them to purchase our service. So here let's click on more reviews and let's scroll down to see these 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews. So here we have the 1-star review. It's from 5 years ago. This is the most incompetently run gym I've ever joined. From day one we had issue after issue with banning. 2 of the people attached to the account moved, so we paid the $50 to cancel. No biggie, even though I've never done that with any other gym I've been a member of, but okay. They nickel and dime everything. We continued paying the fee for the third person on the account. Except when my card was lost. Except when my card was lost, we called to update payment. They will not update anything electronically. Talk about living outside the age of technological advancement. So after my frustration with the desk workers and manager, we drove 2 hours to switch the card on the account. Next month rolls around and no payment is taken out. Figure it was a mistake, but didn't get a call, so didn't think much of it right away. Another month rolls around, still no payment taken out. I emailed the account manager and she never answers me back. Still hasn't. So this is a very long and bad review to have on your website, and it gives a bad reputation to have a 1-star review like this, and it's this long. That means you have some serious problems in your business. So you can just take a screenshot of this review. You cannot even take this review in one screenshot, but you can try, or you can just call them directly and talk about this review and say that you can take it down for them. And also you will have some other bad reviews like this one. 2-star review, price difference depending on race. So this is a serious allegation. They don't respond back, and the employees are prejudiced. Not a good place unless you're white somehow. This is another really bad review to have on your business profile. So as I said, you can just this prospect exactly, you can land them easily as your client. After that, you can just go to fiverr.com, and that's where you can hire freelancers to deliver the service for them. So here you can ask for $100 or $150 easy to remove the bad reviews for them. Then you can go to fiverr.com and hire a freelancer for only $25 to deliver the service instead of you delivering it, and then you can keep the change or the rest to yourself. So here you can hire this one for $25 to deliver the service. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.